Hi everybody! This video is a short sample from our thank you messages workshop. In this video, I'll cover the basic structure of a thank you message. If you find the info in this video helpful, consider signing up for the full workshop on our website. And if you want feedback on a thank you message you're actually sending, you can always schedule a consultation with us. The basic structure of a thank you message has 3 parts. Part 1 is where you'll thank the audience or show a sign of appreciation for something they've done. It may sound pretty obvious, but don't be surprised if the first sentence of your thank you message starts off with, "Thank you for." Part 2 is where you provide the rationale for the thanks. Here is where you can elaborate on why you're actually thanking the audience or what impact the audience's actions had on you. Part 3, the final part, is where you'll provide a statement of goodwill. Usually, this could be restating your thank you statement from part 1, but you could also look to include some statement about future communication. Depending on the level of formality or what you're thanking the audience for, these 3 parts could either be grouped together in one paragraph, or the parts themselves could be individual paragraphs. For example, a colleague covering a weekend shift for you probably doesn't need a 3-paragraph thank you message. However, a 1-paragraph message may be too short for thanking someone for giving you an interview. Here's a brief sample message. This first paragraph shows the sign of appreciation. Here, the writer thanks the audience for their work on some project for a zoo. The second sentence mentions the billboard and radio campaigns are a huge success, but we don't really know what success means in this instance. That is until the second paragraph here, where we get the rationale behind the thank you message. Basically, why the writer is thanking the audience in the first place. The writer, Sarah, got some positive feedback from the client, Anna. This last paragraph has a statement of goodwill, with Sarah offering to get lunch for Michelle. Now, do not think that you need to offer everyone lunch in all of your thank you messages. But even something simple like, "We should really catch up," or "Please let me know if you have any other questions," could work here. I hope you found this video helpful. Our full thank you message workshop goes into much more detail about rhetorical strategies and the role thank you messages play when searching for jobs. You can sign up for our full workshop through our website. Also, if you're writing a thank you message and you want some feedback, don't hesitate to sign up for a consultation with us. Thanks for watching.